Hello friends, good morning. Myself Dr. Ms.Mercy Angeline, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Library and Information Science, BHC-e College, Trichy. Today we are going to learn about information sources. So what is information source? The source from where we get information are called information sources, and these comprise of documents, humans, institutions as well as mass media like newspaper, radio and television. All of us have seen and used many of these sources in our lives. So in this video, we shall study these information sources along with their types. We have seen in the academic libraries in school, college or university libraries, that books are arranged on a shelf according to their class number. Each subject is given a class number so that all the books on the same subject can be placed together. Fiction books are arranged alphabetically by the names of the author so that all the books by the same author can be placed together for easy browsing. Similarly, current issues of the journals and magazines are displayed on the display rack and old issues are shelved behind. Apart from these, there are other sets of books like dictionaries, encyclopedia, map, atlas, guidebook, yearbook, so which are kept on a separate rack. These are called reference books. So these reference books are always available in the library for consultation and are not issued to the library members. As a library organizes its collection for the better use of its material by the users, similarly, information sources are also organized according to their content, type, media or form to cater to the different needs of the user. We can group these information sources into two broad categories. One is documentary source and another one is non-documentary source. So what is documentary source? All recorded source of information irrespectively of their content and forms comes under documentary source. So these may be published or unpublished in print or in electronic format. So these may be in a book, periodical, magazines and others. Documentary sources can further be categorized based on their content and forms. Forms mean media. So by content means based on the information content and organizational level, these sources can be grouped into primary, secondary and tertiary sources of information. So by form means based on the physical form of the documentary source, it can be categorized into two. One is paper based documentary source and another one is documentary source on other media. What is other media? It's like sound or audio recording, visual images, films, photographs, tape records, electronic media, optical media and other microforms. So let's come for non-documentary source. Non-documentary sources of information are those sources which are not recorded in any form. Under this criteria, it comes human, organizations, mass media other than print media and cyber media. So this image will give you a detailed picture of information sources. Hope you all understand today's lecture. Thank you.